Hello everyone, welcome to imacooker channel. Today we are going to make dry fish curry with green mango and green plantain. It is a South Indian Kerala dish which is also called as ഉണകമീൻ curry with pachamanga and pachavarakka. For this, the ingredients are 6 ounces of dry croaker fish or 170 grams. You can either take croaker fish or any other dry fish of your choice. Then I have taken 1 small mango which I have cut in cubes, 1 small plantain which I have sliced it and cut it and put it in water so that it doesn't turn grey. The next I have taken is 10 shallots which I have finely chopped, 1 tablespoon ginger finely chopped, 1 tablespoon garlic finely chopped, 5 tablespoons of chili powder. I have mixed it with Kashmiri chili and the regular chili, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, curry leaves, 1 pinch of fenugreek, 2 fish puli or fish tamarind, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 pinch of fenugreek powder, 1 pinch of asafoetida powder, oil, salt to taste, and water. Let's get started. This is a Kerala tradition. Our first step now is add the chili powder, the coriander powder, and the turmeric powder. Add a little bit of water and mix it, make it like a paste. After mixing, it should look like this. Now I've taken an earthen clay pot and my pan is hot. To this I'm going to add coconut oil. Now my oil is hot. To this I'm going to add the mustard. We're going to wait for it to splatter. Once the mustard splatters, I'm going to add in the fenugreek and give it a stir. Next is I'm going to add in the shallots. To this, ginger and garlic. And mix it till the raw smell goes out. After this, I'm going to add the heart and soul of Keralites or Malayalis, the curry leaves. Mix it. After 3 minutes of sauteing, the raw smell of the ginger and garlic is gone. To this I'm going to add the paste which we have mixed. Now I'm going to add the water. After adding water, I'm going to close it and bring it to a boil. Once it comes to boil, I'm going to add in the green plantains, the dry fish, and the mangoes, and give it a mix. Now I am adding half a teaspoon of salt because dry fish already has salt and you can adjust the salt according to your taste. After adding salt, I am adding the fish tamarind or meen puli, or in Malayalam it's called as kodampuli. Mix it well and then cover and cook for 15 minutes on a medium flame. and also enjoy our recipe. Thank you.